Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Acacia. Today we're going to work on the step ladder. It's the one where it crosses up and down with the hammock, so we're folding it up and over. And I played with many different ways to get into this pose. This is the easiest for me. It does require some upper body strength, but there's a lot less turning and trying to figure out where to put things. So I hope that it's something that you can follow along with me and learn to do on your own as well. Super fun and really beautiful pose. And then you can do whatever variation you want within it. Place the right foot into the fabric so that the ball of the foot and the heel hang out. Then reach the hands up nice and high to the ceiling. Push down with your right leg, stand straight up, and bend your left knee to the chest. If you're a home practitioner like I am and you don't have super high ceilings and you need to make the most of your fabric, you can do this with your hammock really close to the ground, pretty much as close as possible so that your tails are super short. Press out with your left hand and bring your left foot into the fabric so that the ball of the foot and the heel hang out once again. Hold tight with both hands, sit down into the fabric, and bring the left arm off, find your balance, maybe your right arm up to the ceiling as well. Grab back onto the fabric. You might hold both sides if you're a beginner. Keep the fabric tight, keep your left leg straight, drop your right knee down. Press the pelvis forward, let your body slide until the fabric is on your lower back. And you might let go of the fabric on with your left hand and lean back. It's a little bit of a back bend. Moving forward, right leg up to the ceiling, hook your right toes, and climb the hands up above your right foot. Do a strong right leg knee hook. Fabric behind the knee, and the knee moves into the center. Climb the hands up, press out with your left leg, open your right leg to the side, and use that to assist your lift up to warrior two position. Grab onto the fabric with both hands, straighten your right leg, and draw the left leg into the center. Stand with your left foot in the fabric, and keep your right leg strong. Both hands come to the left side of the fabric. Go towards the front, let your right shoulder lead if your right leg is wrapped. Around the outside of the fabric, left leg comes up. With the left hand, grab onto the fabric on the left side, then pull the leg through, wrap your left arm into the fabric, reach up, and both legs can come together. So we end up facing the opposite direction. And again, here you can play with variations. This is the version with both legs wrapped. On the other side, we can work on the second leg free version. So notice there's fabric on the left side and the right side. And of course, you can do whatever you want with your body, whatever you want with your legs. The step ladder is what's happening at the top. Lee. Hope you enjoyed, guys. Please subscribe to my channel. And let's check out the other version on the other side. Facing this way this time. Step your left foot into the fabric. Ball of the foot and heel hang out. Then reach the hands up high to the ceiling. Press down with your left foot. Stand all the way up into the fabric. Right arm out to the right side, place your right foot in the fabric, and go all the way into the back bend. Let go with your right hand, lean back. In fact, you can let go with both hands here if you'd like. And grab onto the fabric with your left hand, left leg up, hook your left toes. Climb the right hand up above your left foot, left hand as well. Press the knee into a left side knee hook. Open the knee wide and lift up to a warrior two position. Hold the fabric with both hands. Bring your right leg into the center. Fabric is wrapped around your left thigh in a high thigh wrap. Hold the right side of the fabric with both hands. Try and find your balance. Lead with your left shoulder forward and roll around the outside. Right leg will swing up. Lead with left shoulder, swing all the way up. Right hand to the back of the fabric. Grab on nice and tight, bring the leg out, reach up, grab onto the fabric, and we have the right leg free. So you can come into some different variations rather rather than sliding the right leg through the middle. Now this is super fun because there's more freedom to move your body, wow, in many different directions. But still we are working the wonderful step ladder. Although I've lost a bit of the ladder position. To come out, bring the legs together, remove your right arm. You might have to give it a little pull or a twist. Come all the way back to the center. Sit into your fabric. Place the feet down and stand up. Thanks guys. Please subscribe to my channel, and when you subscribe, click the little bell up at the top so that you receive notifications. Excuse me, so much spinning making my lunch come up a little bit.